Welcome to the EGROUP EDOCS Document Archiving Gateway. This gateway is part of the EDOCS Document Management and Registry System, which provides full lifecycle management of documents, receipt, registry, administration, preparing of drafts, control, delivering, filing and closing. The gateway is sponsored and supported by the European Union, especially by the E-Infrastructure FP7 Capacities Programme under contract near RI 283,481. Our module helps our user to convert their paper-based documents into legal electronic ones. The legal background is laid down in the Hungarian Decree No. 13/2005 of the Minister of Information and Communications on the rules of digitalization of paper-based documents. Our aim is triplet. First, the users, principally companies, can eliminate the paper documents after converting them, which decreases immediately their operational costs, because there is no need further to pay fees for hiring storages. Second, as the module automatically attaches some metadata to the converted documents, it is possible to easily retrieve them. Third, the electronic documents will be archived in this module for a long time. The computing-intensive tasks, OCR and indexing, run in the background in a cloud infrastructure and are supported by interface modules developed by SCI-BUS, and cloud broker GmbH. These tasks make it possible that the gateway automatically detects the metadata needed for retrieving. In this version we recognize following document types: invoice, contract, agreement, decision, treaty, pact, regulation and the corresponding creation date. In the future the gateway will detect much more document types and metadata. The physical converting, scanning, is task of the users. The input of this module are PDF documents. The EDOCS Archiver service is available for registered users. If you would like to register, please fill in the registration form and follow the instructions. Here you can see the registration form. Beside of your login name and password you have to fill in some information, required by the quoted Hungarian decree: name of the archiving person, name on the archiving company, availability of the archiving policy of the company. All of this information will be attached as metadata to the electronic document and will be electronically signed together with him at the end of the process. After successful registration you can log into the system. After login you will have access to the main functions: upload, process and archive. If you are a new user, you don't have any processed documents, so you begin with uploading. If you have already used our gateway in the past, most probably you have your own documents, so you can go to the archive and retrieve them. Here you can see some helpful information about application-specific help desk and central help desk. Now we begin with uploading. As we said before, the physical converting of the paper-based documents is your task. The gateway accepts electronic documents in PDF format. Please note that the higher resolution is used during scanning, the bigger size of file is resulted and the more time is needed for the documents to be processed. For the processing it is normally enough to scan the documents with 200 or 300 pixels. This interface is designed not for transformation of huge amount of documents. To do this you have to use our web service interface. Here you can upload the documents one by one. Here you can see the chosen document. After clicking on the upload button, the process starts automatically. You can follow the process on this process screen. You can see the name of your uploaded file, the start time of processing, the physical size of the document, at the moment always A4, the username and the action status. The document stays on this screen during the whole processing. During processing the gateway automatically detect, in the mentioned cloud environment, the necessary metadata. After finishing it moves to the archive. On this screen you see your legally archived electronic documents. They are processed and archived regarding the Hungarian decree. So after the document appeared on this screen, you can eliminate the original paper-based version. Here you have following information: file name, archiving date, creation date, detected, document type, detected. You can download the original PDF version, the OCR results, and last but not least the electronically signed document version. This is signed with the so-called SDX module, developed by EGROUP, so if you would like to interpret and verify this file, you have to download a free SDX module from the EGROUP website. The format of this signed file complies to the corresponding Hungarian laws and decrees. On this screen you can also retrieve the older documents. There are some filtering possibilities: file name, archiving date, creation date and document type. As we said before, in the near future we will expand the possibilities of our gateway. In the case of the invoices, we will automatically detect some other metadata too, for example invoice number, issuer, price per unit, total price, net, gross, etc. We will process other document types too, for example salary documents, metadata, name, birthday, year, sickness benefit documents, metadata, name, birthday, year, etc.